Hello, today we're going to change trailer connectors from this old one to the new one. Yes, brand new in the box. So the reason we're doing this today is because we change from all of our trailers to the new one. This is the new one as well. It's the 13 connectors, but as you see, it's quite loose. So trailers just work in some positions, and we're gonna change this as well to the new one, and we hope it's gonna fit as well. Yeah, we're apparently gonna see if this gonna work. As you see, it's loose and work just half the time in some position. So we're gonna start with taking this one off. For this part, I'm going fast forward. I'm cutting multiple wires, but all of them is color coded. So I would really recommend, if you're doing this for your first time or are insecure about the process, just cut one at a time. Connect the wire to the new one and look at the old one, and it should be quite forward. There are 2 or 3 colors. They it's the same colors, typical the white one and the red one. And you have the possibility it's the blue as well, but look at the colors at the old one and do one at a time. Yeah, I'm not sure, the camera turned off, so I'm not sure how much it filmed or not, but yeah, it's a snuggle fit. It's going the old screws. I had to take off the bracket between, but just some metal. Yeah, it doesn't actually make any sense because you have the rubber around it, and it's steel on the other side, so it should be fine. If it isn't, I have to do this over some other time, but I would really recommend to take some sheep fat and spray it on, or something like that, and you just don't have the problem with corrosion and everything that's with salt and yeah, you know. Oh no, this one. Oh, what happened? Okay. Just, I think it's one of the installation here. So yeah, now it's good. The most I see is difference. I'm gonna check if it's good or not. We have this new one here, and it's double one here, but yeah, this is something else. Entirely something else is sitting. So now I'm gonna check it on one of our trailers if it's good or not. I think this is good. Oh no, maybe I think. Yeah, I would think so. It's good. Okay. Yes, as now it's been insulated. I hope this doesn't blow up in my face or something if it's related to the airbag. Okay, stand back. Okay, nothing have happened here. Okay, now I'm ready. just gonna drive over to this trailer. One of them, anyways. I have a 2-1 that's almost 3 trailers that's outside now. Okay, now we're gonna see. No lights over here for now, but take this. Sorry, trying to film as good as possible. Of course, this is moisty. Okay, try again. Okay, there it is. Up here, snow fit. It's good. Okay, so no light, but there's no light here as well. So we're gonna turn on the light, and yes, it's working. Okay, so those lights are working. I'm gonna check everything here. Yes. Good. So now, as we have fixed the trailer connection in the car, we can drive again with no worries that the lights are fading away when driving or something like that, because that's been trouble when they have not fitted well. Now it seems to be good, brand new. So if you have some trouble with your connection, I would recommend that one. If you have changed all of or tested all of your trailers to new one as well. Yeah, best of luck.